is Unit 5 Business Cycle. Friends, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and also share to your friends. Now we can start. Business cycle is also called as economic cycle. Business cycle refers to economic-wide fluctuations in production or economic activity over several months or years. So fluctuation in production or activity, economic activity is called a business cycle, and it can extend from months to years. And business activity passes through the process of prosperity and depression. At one phase there is prosperity, and the other phase there will be depression. And next one is really important for MCQ, that is business cycle is an irregular cycle, is not predictable, not repetitive, and random. In business cycle influence business decisions of each individual firm and economy. So that is why business cycle is very important. Now we can look into the characteristic of a business cycle. Business cycle, first characteristic, it is synchronic, that is it has upward and downward movement and tend to occur almost at the same period in all industries. That is, business cycle has upward and downward movement. Most often the upward trough can be equal to downward trough, that is a boom followed by recession. Shows a wave-like movement, is boom followed by recession and goes on like this as a wave. Cyclical fluctuations are recurring in nature, that is a single wave will repeat and this goes on and on like boom, recession, boom, recession. That is why cyclical fluctuations are recurring in nature. And the last one is that downward movement is more sudden than upward movement. That is, the phase from boom to recession is happening more on a sudden, and whereas this is a gradual phenomena, that is from recession to next boom is gradually going upward. That's why downward movement was sudden than upward movement. Next is phases of business cycle. There are 4 phases in business cycle. They are boom, recession, then depression, and recovery. So we can memorize this as memorize the order like this: boom, recess, recur. Boom, recession, depression, and recovery. Boom. In the boom phase, production capacity is fully utilized. That these are a characteristic of boom phase. That is, the complete production capacity is utilized, and the above normal price for products, that is cost price, is very high. And at this time the selling price is very high, so the difference between selling price and cost price is profit. So profit will be increased, that is more investors will come into play, and the employees will get higher wages. Production cost increases because since employees wages comes in production cost will increase. That is further increase in the cost, this price of products. That is, fixed income group cannot buy products. That is, salaried employees or fixed income groups, they cannot buy products at high prices, so they will reduce their consumption and wait for the prices to go down. And at this point the boom reaches at its peak. Now next will be recession. When economy reaches at its peak, that is at boom phase, the peak, downward tendency in demand is observed. That is, producers go on producing, that is, supply will become greater than demand. When supply greater than demand, investment decreases, unemployment increases, and prices are reduced. Since the products are to be sold out, the manufacturers will reduce its price, that is, profit will decrease, and this cycle is known as the crisis. So in MCQs it can be asked as which phase of business cycle is known as crisis, that is recession. Most suffering period for business is this recession period. Next, after recession, it is followed by depression. Depression means unemployment is at its peak. Here at recession, unemployment increases as all the prices goes down, most of the manufacturers will throw out their employees. So, or they will become poorer due to low wages. So unemployment is at its peak. Producers sell goods lesser than cost price. That is, here there will be loss to manufacturers. Thus the workers lose their job. Remaining ones are poorly paid. Due to debts, many firms wound up and pessimism in economy exists. That is, a negative attitude against recovery will happen in economy, exists in economy. That is, people think like they will always will be in debt and they would surely has to go to shut down their business. Thus, economic activity is at its lowest point in recession. But there is a recovery phase also, that is fourth phase, that is idle workers will work for low wages. So after sitting at home without any work and without any wages, these idle workers will come out and they will work for low wages. Then consumers waiting for fall in price, that is the fixed salary people, they who are waiting for fall in price starts buying goods. Then banks give loan at lower interest rates and demand will become greater than supply. Now producers increase price of goods. As producers do not have a higher amount of this manufactured goods due to recession, they will increase the price of existing goods to meet the demand, since demand greater than supply. Thus economic activity increase, investment increases, income increases, so optimism, that is a positive attitude develops in economy, thus recovery occurs. And this cycle goes on. So friends, this is all from this chapter. So if you love this video, please like, subscribe and support. Thank you.